Let's look at one of the questions that we will consider the new generation. We have squares. A pattern was created with these squares, and there are triangles inside them. There's 1 square in the first line, 3 in the second, 5 in the third. In other words, single squares are arranged 1 by 1. The question is, there are m squares in the n line. N is larger than 16. How many triangles are there in the first 16 lines? Now, given the formula we just showed you, what is being asked? We have 1 square, 3 squares, 5 squares, and so on. We have 31 squares on the 16th line because the pattern is in 2n minus 1 format. And so, we're being asked for the sum of all the odd numbers from 1 to 31. The sum of terms equals the number of terms times the median term. How do we find the number of terms? Final term minus first term divided by increment plus 1, multiplied by last term plus first term divided by 2. Our last term is 31. Our first term is 1. 31 minus 1 is equal to 30. 30 divided by the amount of increase, the increase between lines is 2, plus 1, so the number of terms is 16. When we talk about the sum of the last and first term, that is, the median term, 31 plus 1 equals 32. 32 divided by 2 gives us 16. 16 times 16 is equal to 256, which gives us the answer to the question.